In this video, we'll see the recipe of baked creamy cauliflower in white sauce with cheese. Let's get started. First, bring some water to a boil. Then add some salt as per taste. Now drop in medium-sized florets of cauliflower, so these are approximately 2 cups. You need to bring this mixture, water and cauliflower, to a boil, and the cauliflower should be cooked for around 3 to 4 minutes. So make sure you let the cauliflower remain firm yet slightly cooked. Then take the cauliflower out in a bowl and keep it aside. Heat another pan and add 1 tablespoon butter. I'm using salted butter here. 1 tablespoon chopped garlic, finely chopped garlic. I'm using my whisk here because I'm going to add all-purpose flour. So after 5 to 10 seconds, add half tablespoon all-purpose flour, that is Maida. Keep the flame low and continuously whisk and mix this mixture. Make sure there is no raw smell coming from the Maida. This would take around 3 to 4 minutes at low flame. Now add half cup milk. Make sure that the milk is not hot. It should be either at room temperature or cold. Keep whisking so that there are no lumps, and as the sauce thickens, add 1 cheese slice. You would notice that as you whisk and mix, the cheese would also melt. Then add a little salt. Be careful because cheese is salty and butter has salt as well. Then add the cauliflower and crushed black pepper. Give this a good mix. Then add some chili flakes, or you can add chili powder. Well, chili flakes are very easy to make. Just roast whole dried red chilies and coarsely grind in your mixer grinder. That's it. Here I've got my 6x4 inch baking tray. If you do not have a baking tray, you can use a cake mold. Now I'm adding mozzarella cheese, so somewhere between 1/4 cup to half cup. Some chili flakes or chili powder. I'm actually combining both, so I've added chili flakes and now I'm sprinkling some red chili powder. You can bake this in your Kadhai the way I've done for my bread lasagna. You can check out that video, or instructions are given on the screen as well. For OTG, you need to preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes and then bake this for 5 to 7 minutes. You can also broil the cheese, that is, set your oven to broil mode for the last 1 to 2 minutes to get nice color on top. The cheese is bubbling and this entire dish looks amazing. I'm adding some extra virgin olive oil. It's optional, I like using it. Look at the cheesy, creamy cauliflower. This recipe would serve 1 to 2 people, but if you're hungry and if you like cheese and white sauce, then it would serve only 1 person. I hope you like this recipe. Give this recipe a try and enjoy.